How to fix Civilization 6 not launching on Windows. 1. Verify the integrity of game files in Epic Games Client. 2. Update your graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Install all Windows updates. 4. Perform a clean boot. 5. Install the latest Visual C++ redistributable. 6. Switch your DirectX version by running Civilization 6 on another version of DirectX. Hints: 1. You should be able to locate the .exe files in C:\program files, x86, /steam apps /common /sid Civilization 6 /base /binaries /win64 Steam. 2. You may run Civilization BI_dx12.exe for DirectX 12 and use Civilization BI.exe for DirectX 11.